Hey besties, if you want to learn how to do a cut crease, then stop scrolling and watch this because this video is for you. So first things first, I'm going to prime with the P. Louise blank canvas, and be sure not to set this because a sticky base will give you the most pigment. Now that my eye is all primed and ready, I'm going to go in with these cut crease stickers. I cannot remember the name of the brand, but I'll look later and put it in the comments. Little tip, if you have hooded eyes, you're going to want to place it a little bit higher than your crease. So that way when you open your eyes, you can see. Obviously, I have hooded eyes and I didn't place it really high enough so some of the white gets lost, but yeah. Today, I'm using the Noire Volume 1, 2, and 3 palettes to create this beautiful rainbow, whole thing. In my personal opinion, small brushes like this are better for blending because you have more control over where you're going and it's more precise. So don't use big ass fluffy brushes. You're gonna want to start with your darkest shade first. So in my case, purple. This is why you never do your base before a colorful ass look. So now I'm gonna go in with my second shade, which is gonna be a pink. And what you wanna do is you wanna place that shade 50-50, so it's 50% on the first color and 50% like by itself. Okay, so now you're gonna wanna go in with your lightest shade following the 50-50 method and blend it on the top. Okay, so now this is where we are. You went through all 3 colors. Now you're going to want to go through the colors again because obviously it's not blended, but when you go back through them again, it'll build the pigmentation and all the colors will start to blend together. So trust the process. Another thing I wanted to say is always do circular motions when you're blending and not swiping because that's going to give you the most pigmentation as well. So now that you've blended everything to the best of your abilities, it's time for the satisfying part. And yes, of course, just like always, I did this side higher than this side because what the fuck is symmetry? Wow. So now you can take a Q-tip and some micellar water or makeup remover, or I even heard Vaseline works great. I just don't have any. And just remove everything else on the lid, Now that your lid's all cleaned up, you just go in and put whatever you're going to put on, throw on some lashes, and go. I'll be right back with my final look.